Welcome to the third video in our series on creating compelling email copy. Today we're going to dive into the tips and tricks of writing persuasive, effective email copy that resonates with your audience and drives sales or leads. What makes great email copy? Let's start by looking at the qualities that make for great email copy. What makes an email stand out from all the other emails clogging up your inbox? First and foremost, email copy should be concise and to the point. You want to cut right to the chase and get your message across quickly and effectively. You also want to use language and tone that is appropriate for your audience. Different audiences respond to different types of language, so it's important to get to know your audience and use the right type of language to connect with them. Great email copy also grabs attention with an attention-grabbing headline or subject line. This is the first thing people will see when they receive your email, so you want to make sure it stands out from the crowd and gets people to open your message. Finally, great email copy should have a clear call to action. Let your readers know exactly what you want them to do and make it as easy as possible for them to take action. Now that we've looked at the qualities of great email copy, let's dive into the tips and tricks used by professional copywriters to craft compelling email copy. The first step is to create an effective email campaign. Start by determining your goal and the action you want people to take. Then create a plan for how you will reach that goal. Outline the emails you will send and the timeline for each email. Next, write a compelling headline or subject line. This is the first thing people will see when they receive your email, so you want to make sure it stands out and encourages people to open your message. Once you have your email open, you want to keep people engaged. Create compelling, interesting content that resonates with your audience. Use engaging language and tell a story that draws your readers in. Be sure to include a clear call to action. Tell your readers exactly what you want them to do and make it as easy as possible for them to take that action. Now that you have a good understanding of how to write compelling email copy, let's look at the tools you can use to help make that process easier. First and foremost, you want to choose the right email platform. Choose one that is user-friendly and provides the features you need to create effective campaigns. You also want to utilize email marketing software to help automate your campaigns. This will allow you to create automated email sequences and track metrics such as open and click-through rates. Finally, consider using email templates. This will help you make your emails look professional and also save you time as you won't have to start from scratch each time you create an email. Well, that's it. These tips and tools should help you write compelling email copy that resonates with your audience and drives sales or leads. Guys, if you want to make your copywriting life easier and if you want templates that you can use to send emails, to send proposals, to send referrals, job referrals, I've got templates on my website. Go to owenkmantzfw.com. I've got an ultimate guide for freelance copywriters, everything you need for beginners and intermediates. And I've got LinkedIn connections templates, I've got proposal templates, referral templates, pitch templates, everything you need to get started. So check out my website, owenkmantzfw.com. You won't be disappointed.